All right, so we're going to be looking at question number 67 from Zumdahl, and this is covering chapter 12 on chemical kinetics. So this one's quite fun and simple to understand. The question is giving us a chart, and then we have to figure out a couple of things. So it says for the following reaction profile, indicate A, the position of reactants and products, B, the activation energy, and C, the delta E for the reaction. All right, so when you want to look at a chart in this way, the reactants are what commences the reaction of any type of chemical reaction. So the reactants are going to be on our left side here. 1 second. All right, so the reactants are going to be on the left-hand side of the chart. Our products is going to be, therefore, on our right side. So we did part A already. Now, activation energy is essentially going to be the energy that's required for the reaction to take place. In this case, we have our reactants and we have our products, right? So if we were to then take the line for the reactants and make a somewhat of a straight line here, we can then see that the activation energy would start right there and we'll end right here. So then our E of A, so activation energy is going to be within this area. All right, so we got that part of the question done. For the third part is going to be our delta E for the reaction. So with that said, we have our products right here, and we have our reactants on the left side. So all we want to do is we want to see the difference between reactants and products to give us our total of delta E for energy. All right, so if I were to make a line between these two, we have products and reactants. And then that's going to be our delta E. And there we have it. And just so you know, delta E, as we recall, is going to be the change of energy within a system. In this case, if we think back of previous chemistry courses, it was, I do believe it was delta E equals Q plus W. I don't believe it's needed for this portion, but just something that you can relate it to. Other than that, this question is finished.